Looking for a budget-friendly dashcam that still delivers crystal-clear 4K video, night vision, and GPS tracking? Stick around because today I'll be reviewing the top 5 best budget dashcams of 2025, all of them under budget, but packed with features like 4K video, dual cameras, Wi-Fi, GPS, and parking mode. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we cover the best tech and gadgets to help you make smarter buying decisions. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 1. KAWA D11 Dash Cam. The KAWA D11 is a dual dash cam system with 4K front and rear recording, built-in Wi-Fi, GPS tracking, and Sony Starvis night vision technology. Customer reviews. Drivers love the clear night footage and the AI-ISP image processor, saying it captures license plates even in low light. Pros: dual 4K front and rear recording. Sony Starvis night vision. Built-in Wi-Fi plus GPS. AI-ISP color processor for clarity. Reliable 24/7 recording. Number 2. AZDOME M300's Dash Cam. The AZDOME M300's combines 4K front recording with a 1080p rear camera, plus 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi for faster transfers and 24-hour parking mode. Customer reviews. Users highlight its sharp 4K daytime video and the easy-to-use Wi-Fi app for downloading clips directly to your phone. Pros: 4K front plus 1080p rear. 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi for quick downloads. GPS tracking included. 24-hour parking protection. Compact, discreet design. Number 3. EA's 2.5K Dash Cam. This dash cam doubles as a 10-inch rearview mirror with a 2.5K front camera and rear camera support. It features Wi-Fi, GPS, parking mode, and an easy touchscreen interface. Customer reviews. Reviewers love the large responsive mirror display and say it's a game changer for safer reversing and lane visibility. Pros: 10-inch IPS touchscreen. 2.5K front plus rear camera support. Wi-Fi plus GPS included. Full screen rearview mode. Easy to install and user-friendly. Number 4. LINGDU LD06 Dash Cam. The LD06 stands out with its ultra-clear 5K resolution, 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, GPS tracking, and voice control support. It also offers 24-hour parking monitor with WDR night vision. Customer reviews. Users say the video sharpness is unbeatable at this price, and the voice commands make it very convenient while driving. Pros: stunning 5K recording quality. Wi-Fi plus GPS for connectivity. Voice control support. WDR night vision. 24/7 parking protection. Number 5. LINGDU LD02 Dash Cam. The LD02 Lite is a compact dash cam with 4K front plus 1080p rear recording, a 3-inch display, Wi-Fi and GPS, plus voice control and night vision. Customer reviews. Buyers appreciate its balance of features and price, calling it a solid budget-friendly option for dual camera setups. Pros: 4K plus 1080p dual recording. Built-in Wi-Fi and GPS. Voice control for hands-free use. Compact 3-inch screen. 24-hour parking monitoring. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best budget dash cams for 2025. From ultra-clear 5K video to feature-packed 4K dual systems, these dash cams prove that you don't need to overspend to get top-quality protection for your car. Now I'd love to know which dash cam would you trust for your car. Drop your pick in the comments below. Thanks for watching and drive safe.